Good morning, students. Let's start the class with a silent prayer. How are you? I hope all of you are fine and safe in your homes. Are you ready to study mathematics? Do you like the subject mathematics? I am so happy to hear that all of you are interested to learn mathematics. I hope all of you are familiar with cylindrical shape. Am I right? Now try to give some examples of cylindrical shaped objects which we see around us.
The cylindrical shaped objects are very good. Cans. Cool drinks cans are cylindrical in shape. Then candles are cylindrical shape. Battery or cell is cylindrical in shape. Wood logs are in cylindrical shape. Then drums are cylindrical in shape. Is there any other objects? Very good. The pencils are cylindrical in shape. Then buckets are there. Some water bottles are there. Likewise, we can find many other examples for the objects which are cylindrical in shape. Very good.
So all the answers which you have said is right. Now I understood that you have some idea about the cylindrical shape. Now I will show a cylindrical shaped object to you. Now this is an object. It is cylindrical in shape. Now by observing this object, can you state some properties of the cylinder? Very good. It is three-dimensional shape. Then what about its faces? How many faces does it have? Very good. It has three faces. Which are the three faces? Here a lateral face or a curved face is there. Then very good. It has two circular faces. Does this cylinder has any corners? Very good. A cylinder doesn't have any corners. Then what about its edges? It has two edges. Which are they? Very good. These two circular edges. These are the two circular edges. So we have seen the properties of a cylinder. So we have got a clear picture about the cylindrical shape. Am I right? Okay. Suppose that tomorrow is your friend's birthday and you are called for the birthday party. And you bought a cylindrical shaped gift to your friend. And in order to present that gift to your friend, you want to wrap it with the gift paper, isn't it? So, can you find out the amount of gift paper which is needed to wrap that cylindrical shaped gift? How will you find out the amount of gift paper needed? Very good. By finding out the total surface area of the cylinder, we can find out the amount of gift paper needed to wrap the cylinder. Very good. Then, so in today's class, what we are going to study? We are going to study how to find out the total surface area of the cylinder. So, we are deriving the formula to find out the total surface area of the cylinder. So here, look at this. This is a cylindrical shaped object. Now, can you suggest a method to find out the total surface area of the cylinder? Is there any method to find out? Very good. The total surface area of the cylinder is equal to sum of the curved surface area and correct two base areas. All of you understood? Very good. So, let us denote the total surface area by TSL. Total surface area we are denoting by TSL. So, total surface area is equal to curved surface area. Very good. Curved surface area plus two base areas. Now, we have written total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus two base areas. Is there any method to find out the curved surface area of the cylinder? This is the cylindrical shaped object. Can you suggest a method to find out the curved surface area of the cylinder? No problem. I will leave it to a proof for you. All of you take a rectangular sheet of paper with you. So, this is a rectangular sheet of paper and I have a cylindrical shaped object with me. By using this rectangular sheet of paper, can you suggest a method to find out the curved surface area of this cylinder? Very good, we can wrap this rectangular sheet of paper along the curved surface of this cylinder. While wrapping, all of you keep in mind that the paper doesn't overlap, the rectangular sheet doesn't overlap each other. So, you will get a object like this when we wrap the rectangular sheet around the cylindrical shaped object. All of you got it? I hope all of you have obtained an object like this. Am I right? Okay. Now can you say what will be the curved surface area of the cylinder? Very good. Curved surface area of the cylinder can be equated with correct area of the rectangle. So we can write, let us denote curved surface area by CS. CS is equal to correct area of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? Very good. It is length into breadth. So, we have obtained that curved surface area of the cylinder can be equated with the area of the rectangle, and we have written it as length. So, now let us replace the length and breadth by the dimension of the cylinder. Do you understand? Now suppose that this is the rectangular sheet. Am I right? So which is the length? This is the length of the rectangular sheet, and this is the breadth of the rectangular sheet. Now the length of the rectangular sheet can be equated with which dimension of the cylinder? We can wrap this rectangular sheet and we will get a cylindrical shape. So the length of the rectangular sheet will become very good circumference. Here the base of the cylinder is in this shape. Very good, it is circular in shape. Then can you say the formula for finding the circumference of the circle? Correct, it is 2 pi r. So we can replace this length by very good 2 pi r. Now, what about the breadth? Here which is the breadth, and this is the breadth of the rectangle, isn't it? Now when we wrap this to form a cylindrical shape, the breadth of the rectangle will become which dimension of the cylinder? Very good, it will become the height of the cylinder. So we can replace the breadth by very good height of the cylinder. Now let us denote the height of the cylinder by using the variable h. So instead of b, what we can write? Very good, h. So we have obtained the curved surface area of the cylinder as 2 pi rh. Do you understand? Very good. Now we have already written that total surface area of the cylinder is curved surface area plus 2 base areas. Now we have obtained the curved surface area as 2 pi rh. Now can you rewrite this equation by using this curved surface area? How can you rewrite it? Total surface area is equal to, let us denote by TSA. TSA can be written as, very good, curved surface area, it is denoted by CSA. CSA plus, very good, 2 base areas. Now, instead of CSA, what we can write? Very good. We have obtained the curved surface area of cylinder as correct 2 pi rh. So, instead of CSA, what we can write? Correct 2 pi rh plus 2 base areas. So, what's the shape of the base of the cylinder? Correct, it is circular in shape. How many bases are there? 2 bases are there. So what is the formula for finding the area of the circle? Do you know? Very good, it is pi r square. So we can write 2 into, correct, 5 r square. Here, why we use this 2 here? Very good. It is a cylinder has 2 circular faces. Now, all of you look at this. Here, how many tens are there? 2 tens are there, isn't it? Among these 2 tens, some are common. Some tens are common in that. So, we can rearrange this formula. Here, which are the common tens? 2, very good. Then 5, okay. Then these 3 are common in both these 2 tens. Am I right? So, next we place a bracket here. Now, in the first 10, when we take 2 pi r outside, which is the remaining 10? Which is the remaining value? Very good. It is h. In the second 10, which is remaining? Very good. It is r is remaining. So, we have obtained total surface area of the cylinder as very good 2 pi r into h plus r. Now, we can write total surface area of cylinder is equal to, very good, 2 pi r into h plus r. So, from this we have obtained the formula for finding the total surface area of the cylinder. What is that? Very good, it is 2 pi r into h plus r. Here what is the r denote the radius of the cylinder. Very good. And what about h? Very good. Here h should denote the height of the cylinder. Now we have obtained the formula for finding the total surface area of the cylinder. Do you understand it? Very good. So in the starting of our class, we have said that we have got a cylindrical shaped gift which is given as a present to our friend. And there we want to find out the amount of gift paper which is needed to wrap that gift. And you have said that in order to find out the gift paper needed, what we want to find out there? We want to find out the total surface area of the cylinder. Now suppose that the cylindrical shaped gift has a radius 7 cm. Radius is 7 cm. And the height of the gift is 13 cm. The height of the cylindrical shaped gift is 13 cm. Now can you find out the amount of gift paper which is needed to wrap that gift? How will you find out it? Gift paper needed is equal to, very good, total surface area of the cylinder. So here I am writing total surface area in short form as TSA. TSA of cylinder. What is the formula for finding the TSA of the cylinder or total surface area of the cylinder? It is 2 pi r into, correct, h plus r. Now in the next step what we want to do? We want to substitute the values. So what is the value of pi? Very good, it is 22 by 7. Now what is the value of r here? Very good, it is 7 cm. So we write 7 here. What is the value of h? First it is 13. So we have write 13 here. Instead of what we want to do? We want to substitute 7. Now let us solve it. In the first step what we can do? We can cancel this 7 and 7. Now what is 2 into 22? What is 2 into 22? Very good, it is 44. 44 into, we write 13 plus 7. Now 44 into, what is 13 plus 7? Correct, it is 20. Now what is 44 into 20? For that, what we want to do? We want to multiply 44 with 2. That is 4 into 2. Very good. 5. 8. So we write 8 here. Now what is 4 into 2 here? It is also 8. So we have obtained 44 into 2 was 88. So what is 44 into 20? In order to get the answer, we want to put a 0 here. So the answer is very good, 880 centimeter square. Here the unit is centimeter square. We know that every time the area is expressed in square units. So we have obtained the amount of paper needed as very good, 880 centimeter square. All of you understood it? Very good. Now let us move on to the homework question.
The question is, find the total surface area of cylinder with radius 14 cm and height 36 cm.
I hope all of you have write down the homework question. So in today's work, what we have learned? First of all, we have seen some examples of cylindrical shape. After that, we discussed the properties of the cylinder. After that, what we have done? We have found out the formula for finding the total surface area of the cylinder. What is that? It is 2 pi r into r plus h. Here r denotes radius of the cylinder and h denotes very good height of the cylinder. I hope all of you have understood my class. Thank you. Have a nice day.